Hello everyone. Here's we are going to solve a question. The question is of kinematics, motion under gravity. Before I'm going to solve this question, pause the video and give it a try. I hope you have tried it, and if you haven't got the answer, let me solve it for you. The question says a ball is released from the top of a tower of height h meter. Let's suppose, yeah, let's suppose this is the tower. Let's suppose this is the tower of height h. The question says a ball is released from the top of a tower of height h meter. It takes t seconds to reach the ground. For example, if the ball is released from this particular point and it travels at this much distance to come to ground, this is the ground level, then the time is t seconds. Now the question asks, what is the position of the ball at t by 3 second? If in t second the ball covers h distance, if in t second the ball covers h distance, then in t by 3 second, what fraction of h would the ball cover from the ground? Let's say this much, here up to here. So this distance, let's say x, we have to find in t. If this distance is covered is in t by 3 second. So what we can do in this question is, first of all we will write the kinematical equation for this motion. So for this motion, the question is released, so the initial velocity would be 0 and final velocity we don't know. So which equation we will use? Height is displacement is given, so the third equation we are going to use. I am taking the downward direction as positive direction, so the equation would be, so what is the second equation? S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation, kinematical equation of motion. And if this s is h, initial velocity is 0, this will become 0. So h is equal to half, acceleration is acceleration due to gravity, that is g, half g, time is t square. Okay, no problem. So this is, now if I write the equation for this case, if I write the equation of motion for this case, so this distance is what? This much is h minus x. H minus x is this distance. Okay, so for this also h minus x. H minus x is going to be this initial velocity 0. So we are left with half into g. Now here t becomes t by 3 because this much distance till here the distance is covered with t by 3 second. So instead of t we will write t by 3 whole square. T by 3 whole square, that is h minus x is equal to half g t square by 9. Now if you look carefully, this is what? Half g t square is what? Half g t square is h only. So I can write this as h minus x is equal to, instead of half gt square, I can replace this half gt square by h. So it is h by, this would be 9 now. 3 squared is 9. So 9. So h by 9. So from here we will get the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So x will come this side, this will go that side. So x is equal to h minus h by 9. So this is going to be 9h minus h by 9. That will be what? Let me write it beautifully. So 9h minus h by 9 is equal to 8h by 9 from ground. So the required distance is this much, 8h by 9. So 8h by 9, option A is the correct. 8h by 9 meter, option A is correct.